Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2002 Honda VTX1800C. This is the big bore, fuel injected 1800cc liquid cooled shaft drive cruiser with a sport bike front end, twin discs up front. It's also got road lights with LED turn signals, a quick release switchblade windscreen, leather saddle, passenger backrest with luggage rack, 2 brand new tires, an awesome sounding exhaust system. Make your big bore cruiser dreams come true. This beautiful metallic red VTX 1800C, only $39.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.